Hi everyone, this is Meagan and Rosie Burns, and I am here to talk to you today about the power of ChatGPT for creatives. I have designed a two-part Zoom class to break down the tools, the basic tools and the basic understanding of what is ChatGPT and how can you as a creative person use it, have it in your toolbox, right? This is not about mangling photos. This is not about stealing someone's art. This is not about plagiarizing. It's about empowering yourself to use the tools of AI that are taking over the world, right? And so I say, let's not be afraid of it. Let's educate ourselves so we can learn how to empower ourselves through the logic and intuition that we all have. Join me on Zoom for the power of ChatGPT for creatives. Rosie will be there too. Two-part series. Okay, take good care. Okay, bye.